Faster, harder-edged and more driver-orientated than its R107 predecessor, the Mercedes-Benz R129-series SL was launched at the 1989 Geneva Motor Show. Finished in the rare and striking combination of green-black metallic with mushroom leather upholstery, there's an original book pack, factory hardtop and 2 keys. Its extensive service history is documented in 2 books and via numerous invoices. Now showing some 102,000 miles to its odometer, this SL500 remains commensurately smart.